The European Central Bank has raised the interest rate again by 0.25%. Just 0.25%, said the person who has never taken out a 30-year mortgage. For the average person, this sounds about as exciting as a washing machine manual. But the problem is that a washing machine manual at least doesn't take tens of thousands of euros from you. What actually happened? Imagine that the economy of Europe is an old Volkswagen Passat with a mileage of 400,000 kilometers. The engine is already smoking. The transmission is praying. The check engine light has been on since 2019. And then the driver notices that the car is starting to go too fast. What does the driver do? Correct, hits the brakes. This brake is the ECB's interest rate hike, because prices are rising. Electricity is getting more expensive, gas is getting more expensive, food is getting more expensive. It seems that soon even the costliness itself will start to become more expensive. That's why the European Central Bank is making loans more expensive. To make people spend less money. Is it logical? Theoretically, yes. Practically, it looks like this. Yesterday, you could take out a loan for an apartment. Today, you can also take out a loan for an apartment. Only the apartment will be smaller. Much smaller. Perhaps so much smaller that the kitchen will simultaneously be the bedroom, living room, and storage space for winter tires. What does this mean for Berlin? The funniest thing is that Berlin continues to suffer from a chronic housing shortage. There aren't enough apartments. Not many are being built. The population is increasing. So the situation resembles a concert of a popular band, where 1,000 tickets were sold for a venue of 500 people. Prices may fluctuate. Mood may fluctuate. But the number of people wanting to get inside does not decrease. Therefore, many people who can no longer afford to buy an apartment remain renters. What to do? If you are selling an apartment, you shouldn't expect that the number of buyers will increase after another rate hike. Usually the opposite happens. If you are buying for yourself and plan to live there for 10 years or longer, it might make sense to stop waiting for the perfect moment. Because the perfect moment in real estate appears with about the same regularity as a free parking space in the center of Berlin. That is, theoretically, it exists, but no one has ever seen it. And while the ECB is saving the European economy from inflation, I continue to explain the real estate market in human language. Subscribe. In the comments, let me know what is rising faster: prices, rates, or your blood pressure when you open apartment sale listings in Berlin.